Hi, who is?
Yeah, you can get started. We are live.
Okay.
Hello. You can start. It's a demo stuff we want to push out to others. You understand?
Okay. Okay.
Victor, can you hear me?
Is a demo,
Please
right?
just, yes, just go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. Let me start. So I in this class I'll be able to explain the basics of graphic design using Canva and the solution I've created over time on how to become a pro graphic designer, even from scratch. And you can start the class from scratch and you'll be becoming pro in the line. So what I've done so far now and our mode of courses we go as this. I'll explain to you the basics of graphic design, how graphic design works, and we'll be able to use a good template in which you're able to use like Canva template I've done over time that you're able to use to edit your Canva. Even though you know understand the basics, then I'm able to bring in the basics of graphic design, what graphic design is all about, how to edit, how to use templates and like so, and everything will now based on Canva, in which Canva will be able to help you in when you want to edit and because it's a software that you can use both on mobile and desktop use. No need of big system for you to run graphics works. You can start with it and you can start the job with it also. So you just like before you know, you're just getting clients and you're making your money. So there's a lot of package on these courses that we need to explain to you. And there's a lot of money in graphic design that you need to learn. There's a lot of money in graphic design that I will be sharing with you that you can make money and start making ends in graphic design. So today is an introduction class. So I'll just explain to you how the works and how the courses works. So you'll be able to enjoy the class. So all I want need from you is to pay attention and make sure you are always doing any assignment I give to you. So let's get started. So let me share my screen. Let me share my screen on my Canva screen. So these are the templates I've created for major clients in which I'll send them the link, they'll do their corrections and they'll do some adjustment by themselves. So and you can also start marketing the graphics also online also. So there is a if we go to uh Edi Etsy. If you go to Ethic website and you type Canva template, you go to Canva template. Uh, Once you go to the Canva template and search your template, you see a lot of people also they are making sales on these platforms and they are making money. They are making a huge money. So you can create as much as template on these same platforms. See, this is Instagram page that some people sell. They are selling it as rate of 2,000 €2. So these are other templates because businesses need graphics. A lot of businesses need graphics that you can just come up with a different graphics template, and once you buy it, they will give you the link. The links will not take you to your Canva page. You will not use any template that you like. So there's a lot of template. There's a lot of template on it. This is for a wedding that people can buy. You market it on social media. You tell them how your page, and people will buy. So we create this kind of system also here in Nigerian version. This is it. So these are Nigerian versions on these are our own platforms. I'm doing all those websites. So there are templates that you can just use. These are the businesses template that you can just use. Just click it, download, and voila, you are free to go. These are mobile phones. This is jewelry. This is perfume business. This is another jewelry business. So it's a template you just click. Once you click it, then you buy it, then you start using. So it's very, very simple. Very simple. How to use and how to do this. So what I will now be teaching you in this class is how to use this template, how you yourself can be your own pro, how you can handle all these templates, how to use all these templates, how you can use it as your own advantage, and how you can start making money. And there's still a lot of ideas that I will share in this class that all of us need to kind of prepare for, because I'll be explaining I'll be explaining how to make money and in these platforms, how you start making your own money, how you start engaging people, how you can get clients. And I won't lie to you, as a graphic designer, you are a skill band. So you can work as much as possible with multiple people, multiple industry. As I am, I work with more than let me say I work more than 5 companies at the same time, and I have my own time also. So graphic design is a business in which is a skills in which you can work as much as possible with as much as people. You can work with a lot of people, and you have your own free time at your own free time, at your own free will. Because people always demand graphics. Every day that you wake up, people need to sell, people need to make ends, people need to engage people need to communicate their brands, ideas, and skills to people. So graphic design is a platform in which you're able to learn all these aspects, and is a aspect in which you engage a lot of people. So let's get started and let's get the ball rolling. And let's me explain about how Canva works. So let's get started. So first of all, these are templates you can create a templates you can create in on Canva. So let me select the one we are all used with, and that is a social media post. So this is Instagram post. So Instagram post, uh, Instagram post is a Instagram post is more of communicating your brand idea to the users. So, and personally, you don't really need premium accounts to create all these things. I think premium account for Canva is around I think it's around $5 or something. So you don't need it. So all you need is you yourself, your intentionality and your ability for you to try and create something. So once you log into Canva, you click Instagram post, it will show this page. So now what do you create? So the best way to know what to create, in which I will still be going through, but let me firstly explain the interface of how it works. So these are the designs, the default design that comes with Canva. So these are the default designs that majority of them are premiums, and you see a lot of people have been creating designs and they've been making sales on Canva. So this is elements. These are elements. So These are elements you can apply to your artwork. So all you just have to do is just click it. Once you click it, it will appear. So see, you click it. This is an image is a image element. So once you drag and drop any element now like this, if you drag it on this template, it will definitely replace the image. So just let's click. So it's already loading. Voila, and that's it. So if you want to place any other image like maybe this, all you just have to do is just drag it on top the image and it will replace the one that is there before. So that is how the element works. Anytime you see element like this, so those that is how they work. So other one they are shapes. So if you keep see more, you see different other shapes that you can apply to your design. These are default shapes. So icons, these are graphics elements that you can apply to your artworks. So let's move on. So these are stickers. I don't know whether you know most about stickers. So these are photos that you can apply, maybe background and other effects. These are frames. Same thing as that graphics element replacement. Whenever you see the little like this, the picture replacement. So these are infographics. So all these elements that you see here, it's not that you really, really, really need it. You really need it when it comes to application of it, and it's not something you really require knowing. So text, I'm pretty sure you know about text. Anything you want to type at text. So is that headings, subheadings? So you just click it and you can double click and edit. So it's as simple as that. And once you click any element, their features will show at the top right. So this image, this is the effect also. So uploading, once you want to upload an image, you can upload an image here and it will apply and then you can apply it to any of your images that is there. Then these are hand drawings elements in which you know we did it. These my own collections of what I did. This is my project I've done in the past. And I have some elements like you can use to design shirts, you can use like hoodies and likes because I'm also into fashions. So there's a lot to learn and there's a lot for me to teach you in this graphics work. And as long as you have the courage to chase clients, I don't think you don't have any issue. Within the space of 1 month, at least you should start getting money now. You should start getting paid in this same graphics industry. So Canva has made everything easy for everybody, and it has really really helped a lot of us, especially in starting this graphic journey. Because before, when you want to start graphic journey, it's always kind of difficult. But now there are softwares, there are elements that you can use. Because before we need to design all these elements from scratch, but now thanks to Canva, you can use it. So very soon, which we are coming up with it's a Nigerian version of Canva, in which we call Print Village. So we are still working with the same app also. So we are still working on it, and the app is to help people in design and printing. So these are the templates we've created on the platforms. These are the templates we created. This is a Nigerian version. So this is a Nigerian version done by Nigerians, and we are hoping that you guys also maybe when you get more attention, you can join the team and start making templates and start making sales. You can create a template, create a sale, start driving sales on that template from any other platforms you like. You can start creating the influencer from all the other platforms, then you drag them to your website. So it's the same thing as Canva also. It's exactly as Canva also. Just double tap and replace. So this is for a party. You can replace all these images, all the other woman image. You can change the text. You can edit the text to your own suitable text for your own event. So that's what we have created, and we are open to come up with more solutions in graphic world and to make everybody make money and to make graphics more easier for everybody that needs graphics works. So that is all about the introduction to graphic design. So how will our mode of engagement works? So what I'm planning is firstly we need to know much about uh, Canva. And the reason why we are majoring on Canva is because number one, Canva is the only software that is easy to access, that is easy to use. Because I won't lie to you. I know no interrupted power supply might be affecting everybody in Nigeria. I don't know the side of where you are coming from, and you'll be challenged in using all these if system, and if you need a system to be a full-time graphic designer, at least it should be something avoiding something like 200k to 300k before you can afford the system up to that status. And even if you have a system, it's definitely be handling you with light. So we know how difficult it is as a graphic designer for you to bend all these rules and come and attain that thing, especially when clients give you work and you're unable to deliver in the space of 2 or 3 days. I'm telling you, that client will definitely go. So the best mode that I can advise any of my students is just go all in into something you can try and control that won't really affect you. I'm pretty sure if your battery is low, you look for a power bank. And I know if your battery is low, you can go to somebody's shop or somebody, maybe a filling station or a restaurant and charge your phones and buy maybe 2 or 3 drinks and come back. So it's as simple as that. That's just a simple approach to graphic design. And all thanks to technology and AI these days that makes all these things easy. So that is the advice I will advise my students. So you won't be having excuse. Imagine now, maybe you have your own personal work that you are doing, and you need to deliver some work. Instead of you to pick up your phone and edit and send, you won't be able to do that. You need to have a system. You need to have a space thing, and so it will take a lot of time. Instead of you to just take your phone and edit and send. So that is how graphic works, and I hope in this class we're able to meet up to the task. We're able to be our full potential graphic designer, and we're able to start making money. I'm not like you can. It's a graphic design is something that you can do and add other business, other skills alongside with it. And it's a skill that you can also expand your mind and come up with another idea strategy to start making sales. So we'll be able to help you alongside with this, and we're able to build a hub in which you personally you're able to engage in this hub and start making money. My own core aim and objective is for me to see you making money, nothing more, nothing less. It's for you to work with companies, 2, 3 companies, and you have your own free time to be doing anything you like. So it's challenging. It takes a lot of time to study. It takes a lot of practice to be that professional level you wish to be. So it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort in practicing and practicing and practicing. Sometimes it is brain consuming, but it's not possible. Having an academy like this makes it more easier because you are seeing other friends, other co-workers, other co-students that you are learning alongside, and you have somebody that is guiding you through the courses. So the first course will be into the next class, maybe I think next week it will be introduction to this Canva, in which now we are now start practicing, start using, start editing, start creating templates. Then I will teach you the principle of graphic design, which includes colors theory, alignment, and other form of the principle of graphic design. So I wanted to tune up and watch out for all these classes that is coming. And please, graphic designer is challenging because it takes a lot of time for you to study and for you to take your time to at least pay attention to every details there. Because what makes graphic design special is attention calling. Once you can make transfer of informations and make it pleasuring to the other audience, it makes it more lively and more people to entice them to know what graphic design is about. And as a graphic designer, you can work in any industry. That is the funniest part. As long as there is a business, there must be a graphic design. As long as there's a business, there must be a graphic design because every business needs sales and every sales needs message, and the message are well passed out and present to people only through graphic format and video graphics also. So on this same website, we will still be creating templates on the CapCut, in which you have template access to template on CapCut and you're able to use it and at least to start making sales on video editing and the likes also. And I will teach you how to do video editing side also in the graphics format. So you'll be able to use motion graphics using CapCut. So all these things, they are classes we have prepared for you. So sit back and I hope I'll see you in class. So that's what I'll say. So without further ado, I think I am done for the introduction part of this class. So guys, See you next week. And let's get prepared next week, please. Let's get prepared next week. Let's get prepared next week. And next week, I'm promising you, it's going to be a fun class that you guys are going to enjoy to the fullest. Don't worry, I won't make it too technical. I won't make it too complex. I'll make it as simple as what graphics is all about. So, bye for now and enjoy your day. Bye.